In this video, we are going how to fix the some Valorant 39. It usually happen due to Riot game not running properly, captured files or driver issues. So first, you need to go to Task Manager, and if it's running in background, you need to end the task, Riot client or Valorant. After end task, close it and go to run. And this C program files Riot Valorant. Need to go right on OK and need to run this. Just click on run. Once running, after you need to close it and need to restart. Yes. And after restart, you need to check if it's again still the same issue. Go with second method. Go to run and write appwiz.cpl and click OK. And in this, you need to uninstall the Riot Vanguard. So don't worry. Once uninstalled, the Vanguard will restart automatically. Uninstall and need to close it and restart the PC. So after restart, open the Valorant. Don't worry about this. Vanguard will reinstall automatically and open and check. So again same issue. Then go to third step. Go to settings and check for Windows Update. Go to Windows Update and check for is up to date or need to update. Yes, it's now up to date. So close it and go to run and click and write a service.msc. Yes, click it and in this you need to check the VGS. Yes, VGS. Click and refresh and go to properties, and in this is disable mode, so you need to click automatic and apply and click OK. Yes, and refresh it and after completing this need to do restart